What is a computer? Is it capable of doing just about anything? No. A computer is just a machine that turns on when you give it electricity and turns off when you don't. How can these machines respond back to me and do what I tell them to do? How can I convey my words to this machine? How can it learn the English language? I can convey my words to this machine with electrical signals. First, the computer needs to know numbers.
In a binary code, the number 1 means electricity is present and the number 0 means that electricity is absent. Then what about the number 2? Let's increase the number of places that receive electrical signals to 2. Give electricity to the upper line and not the lower line. This will let the computer know that it's 2. If the electricity is given to both, what about 3, then 4? Let's make another electrical wire. To represent 65, you need a wire to receive 7 different signals. Send electricity to only the furthest left wire and the furthest right wire, and then the computer will know it's 65.
This is the computer number system.
If we divide them into 3 sets of numbers, it becomes 101, 000, 011, 011, 000, 100, and 010. Because the number is so long, we section them into 3 sets of numbers. After converting this binary representation to octal, we would get 5033042. This time, if we divide them into 4 sets of numbers, it becomes 1, 0100, 0011, 0110, 0010, and 0010. After converting this binary representation to a hexadecimal, we get 143622. This is called assembly in computer language. These hex numbers turn into ones and zeros for the computer to understand, and then the computer signals whether to send electricity or not. We have created a calculator that can convert the decimal number that we can use in the computer number system binary, octal, and hexadecimal numbers. It can add, subtract, multiply, and divide the numbers. We created an app on our website using a computer language called Java and a scripting language called HTML and CSS. Anyone can use it conveniently. It's completely free. You can go to cnc.stempia.com and use this application. It is cool and fancy.